Oh, hello and welcome everyone. This is a test stream from Georgia. I'm at park and here is quite windy and I don't know how good the sound quality is. But let me know. I will try to check chat regularly. I don't have a plan for today, like outline or something. We will just try to build a minimal Emacs configuration with RDE and Guix. I already have a file that we will be using for building our configuration, and also we have a make file here with minimal Emacs target. We won't be building a whole operating system or home environment. I think we will build only shell that that will be enough for testing. Okay, let's open the terminal. Maybe like this, and type okay. Emacs has started, but in addition to that, we don't want to have our init.el loaded, so it should be pretty basic. Barebone Emacs. Okay, how we will proceed? We already have a lot of stuff in RD related to Emacs, and most of them can be installed as a package using Guix package manager. So we will be taking those parts of configurations, install them in a profile, which we will use for our tests, and we'll see how it goes. The tricky thing that to instantiate nix-shell we need either manifest or file or maybe an expression, but the expression should return a package. The nice thing about it that we can create a development shell that will take all the inputs of the package and will create a profile from them. So let's see how we can achieve it. We need to define a package like package with name and so on. Let's take an example from another project. From Guix closure, for example. I need Guix.scm file. Simple package definition. Let's call it minimal Emacs. And here we will have let's see, like this. Okay, let's comment it out. We quite limited on time. Okay. Sure. Okay, good. What we've done here, we defined a dummy package which do nothing and has native dependencies. And in the list of dependencies we have Emacs. After that we create an environment with Guix-shell command and pass two flags to it. First minus capital D, which means takes dependencies of the package and create environment with them. It's useful when you have a package definition and you want to develop something. I mean to adjust something in this package, and you have source code for it, and you can instantiate Guix-shell minus capital D and the name of the package, and you will get all the development dependencies that you need for development. And minus F says take the package definition from file, and in our case it will be minimal emacs.sc. Cool. Now we can launch Emacs without init.el, and it works. Now let's add some configurations to it. We will be doing this thing using rd-config and minimal emacs config. We will define rd config with a few features, and we'll actually comment out emacs next p and gtk. We need a list of features, of course, and first feature will be feature emacs portable, I guess. Which defined in rd features emacs. Now we should get the same result as before. Nice. And if we comment out this feature, now it should fail. Actually can launch, compile, make something emacs minimal max. Very good. It will be a little more handy to restart it every time. Hi Max. How are you doing? Okay, let's restart it. For some reason it didn't fail, but it should, because of course it doesn't fail because it's not pure environment, and it takes Emacs from our environment, from my user environment. But if we update a makefile and we'll say something like minus minus pure Emacs command not found, good. And if we add feature Emacs portable back, okay, it works. Good. But let's remove pure. It's not necessary because we don't want to remove all the environment variables from our user profile. For example, we want to have Wayland desktop at least to make Emacs rendered properly. Okay, we have Emacs portable. It's a simple feature which contains just Emacs and probably almost no configuration. Barebone os unbound variable. What? What are you talking about? Not sure why it fails with this error. Okay. Not sure why it happens. I finally found a cheap place to stay and sleep. Actually, finding a flat in Georgia right now is not an easy task because it's quite high demand, and it's not easy to find a good option for nice price. Okay, we will just go to feature Emacs and we'll go to feature Emacs portable and we'll see the definition of it. It has very few lines of code, which basically defines home Emacs service with package Emacs, which is equal to default Emacs package, which is in case Emacs next be GTK. Now let's add a few more features to our definition. For example, feature appearance. This feature defined in Emacs XYZ model. course it's Emacs appearance. And it fails. Let's see why. Void function toolbar mod. Huh. Let's see. Let's comment it out. It's actually not very ergonomic setup. I can show you the whole picture of my setup right now. It's just my backpack with microphone sitting in the I don't know how to call this thing, just attached to my backpack, and I had to bend my spine a little to reach it. Okay, very nice. We have Emacs appearance. That means that we should have a modus thems available. Actually, they available by default in Emacs. Let's see what's wrong with those menu bar mod things. Okay, what if we will do with eval after load menu bar. Okay, it works. It didn't rebuild anything. But why? Probably it cached somehow. Okay, let's see what we can do about it. Okay, we will just adjust the make file and we'll add a rebuild Rebuild cache. I'm running out of power. It's just 10 minutes left. Okay, it fails and it's expected. Now it fails on scroll bar mode. Let's go and do the same trick with while after load scroll bar. It's quite a good microphone in terms of capturing only my voice and only things that happens around the mic itself, and not capturing everything around, because it's really windy here, and I don't know if you can hear it. Also, people are going around and talk, and I don't know if you hear them or not. Cool. It's built. Very nice. We spent just 20 minutes and prepared the environment for testing, and already built some meaningful configuration. Not very meaningful yet, just very minimalistic. But if we add a few more features, I think we can add faces, which key, and completion. Faces, which key, completion. Nope. Boom. Value font is not provided by any feature. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Font, feature fonts. We will define feature fonts with default values, which should install Iosifka font. Font utils. Yes, you're right. Font utils. You know, I have a countdown timer, and just in a few minutes the stream will end due to my battery running out. Configure completion. Okay, for now we will comment it out and we'll see if we have changes applied from faces and which key features. Good. You see, it looks different. It doesn't have any toolbars or something, and it has a different font already, and a lot of errors. Which key also works. Quite nice. Let's add a feature, Emacs completion, and what error it provides. Will we fix it? I'm not sure. The time is running out. Void function, marginalia mod. Why it's void? Okay, I know why. Probably. Boom. With well after load. Okay, let's comment it out. I will fix it later. For now we just need to build a minimal viable Emacs configuration. Very nice. We have Emacs feature completion, which installs many useful things like completion styles and different adjustments for mini buffer. And also one more thing that I would like to see is Vertica, and also it fails for the similar reason, which I will try to figure out later. Okay, require Vertica. Let's do this way. Well, still fails. Is not going to be defined. Blah blah blah. Vertical multiform mod, but it should be with a wall of to load Vertica. Okay, here we need require Vertica. Vertica multiform. Our profile already contains 35 packages, which was installed by just a few features we defined. Okay, I really want to try to finish the stream before I run out of power. Shows live for 45 minutes. Oh, and I still see myself. Okay, I got run out of power on my laptop, but let's see if the configuration will build. Yep, it built, and now you can see we have Vertica and all other stuff available. Which key? We don't have marginalia. Okay, let's fix marginalia. The fix should be quite easy. We'll just require it's temporary fix. The actual fix will be later. And everything is here. Marginalia. Nice. Vertica. Very good. We don't have some key bindings that I used to, but we already have quite good minimal configuration. And we did everything, including the setup for our tests, in just 25 or 30 minutes. Very cool. And the final configuration looks pretty slick. Just a list of few features. And those features are self-contained, except Emacs faces, which requires feature fonts to be defined. And having this much code, we got pretty well configured minimal Emacs available for us. I think that's it for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in a bit. Bye.